What is up, guys? Buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Italian cheese that is made from buffalo milk, the buffalo mozzarella, with the typical Italian pronunciation. So this is a type of cheese, of mozzarella cheese, that is made from the milk of Italian Mediterranean buffalo, a special type of buffalo, in particular in the area, in the region of Campania, in the south of Italy, near the city of Naples. So how do you go about pronouncing that? Well, mozzarella, you do want to insist on the ella part towards the end, Mozzarella di Bufala. You do want to insist on the bu part of bufala. Mozzarella di Bufala. Mozzarella di Bufala. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the special produce, the delicious produce and products that the Italian makes, the types of pasta, cheeses, charcuterie and much more, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Italian pronunciation. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.